Listen up, folks. Personal development isn't just some fancy term, it's the key to unlocking your full potential. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Every single day, we're all on a journey of growth and discovery. But here's the kicker. Most people never tap into their true power. They settle for mediocrity. Not you though. You're here because you want more. You're hungry for change, for transformation. Personal development isn't about fixing what's broken. It's about nurturing what's already there. It's about unleashing the giant within you. Every great achievement in history started with someone deciding to grow, to push their limits. So why does it matter? Because when you grow, everything around you grows. Your relationships, career, health, and happiness flourish. Today, we're going to explore a revolutionary approach to harness that power. All right, let's cut to the chase. I'm about to share something that's going to blow your mind. It's called the mirror method. And no, I'm not talking about admiring your reflection. This is way more powerful. It's about facing yourself, really facing yourself, in ways you've never done before. I stumbled upon this method years ago. I was at a low point in my life, feeling stuck and frustrated. Then one day I caught my reflection in a store window, and something clicked. I realized I'd been avoiding myself, avoiding the hard truths, the uncomfortable realities. That's when the mirror method was born. Most personal development techniques focus on external factors, goals, habits, routines. But the mirror method? It's all about internal transformation. It's about confronting your inner self, your fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs. It's raw, real, and incredibly powerful. How often do you really look at yourself? Not just your physical appearance, but your thoughts, emotions, and actions. The mirror method forces you to do just that. It's like holding up a mirror to your soul. Now let's get down to business. How does the mirror method work? It's simple, but don't confuse simple with easy. Step 1. Find a mirror, a big one, full length if possible. This is your new best friend, your portal to transformation. Every morning and every night you're going to spend time with this mirror. Step 2. Look yourself in the eye. I mean, really look. Don't glance, don't shy away, lock eyes with yourself. It might feel uncomfortable at first. That's okay. That discomfort is where the magic happens. As you look, start talking, out loud. Tell yourself what you see, what you feel. Be honest, brutally honest. Step 3, ask yourself tough questions. What am I avoiding? What am I afraid of? What do I really want? Speak the answers out loud. Step 4, make commitments. Look yourself in the eye and promise to take action. These aren't just empty words, they're promises to your very soul. Section 4, Transforming Lives, the Impact of Mirror Work. Let me tell you folks, the mirror method isn't just theory. I've seen it transform lives.
Take me, for example. I was a successful lawyer on paper, but inside, I was miserable, unfulfilled. I started the mirror method skeptical, but within weeks, everything changed. I faced my fear of leaving my job, of pursuing my passion for teaching. Today, I'm running my own education startup. I'm happier than ever, all because I had the courage to face myself in the mirror, to confront my fears and dreams head on.
That's the power of this method. It cuts through the noise, the distractions. It gets to the heart of who you are and what you want.
Or consider me. I struggled with confidence my whole life, always second-guessing myself, always playing small. The mirror method forced me to confront my self-doubt, to look it in the eye. Literally, I started small, just a few minutes each day. Now, I'm a different person, all because I learned to face myself.
Section 5, Overcoming Challenges, Navigating the Bumps. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The mirror method isn't always smooth sailing. There will be challenges, days when you don't want to face that mirror, when it feels too hard, too raw. That's normal. That's part of the process. Remember, growth isn't always comfortable, but it's always worth it.
One common challenge is consistency. Life gets busy. It's easy to skip a day, then 2, then a week. Before you know it, you've fallen off track. The key? Make it non-negotiable. Like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't skip that, would you? Treat the mirror method the same way. It's not optional. It's essential.
Another hurdle? Facing hard truths. Sometimes what you see in that mirror isn't pretty. You might uncover fears you didn't know you had, beliefs that have been holding you back. It can be tempting to look away. Don't. This is where the real growth happens. Section 6. Your journey begins now. Embrace the mirror. All right, it's time to wrap this up. But remember, this isn't the end. It's just the beginning, your beginning, the start of your journey with the mirror method. So here's my challenge to you. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Find a mirror, look yourself in the eye, and take that first step.
Remember, personal development isn't a destination. It's a journey, a lifelong journey. The mirror method is your compass on that journey. It's your guide to navigating the ups and downs. It's your tool for constant growth, for continuous improvement, for becoming the person you're meant to be.
So go ahead, take that first step. Look in the mirror, really look, and get ready for the journey of a lifetime.